What's going on, YouTube? We are doing a POV in downtown Phoenix. We currently have the bearded male in the car with us.
What's up?
And then we're following CarFeenz. Let's have some fun. Oh, oil change required. I just love that. I wonder if I gotta adjust it, but I think so far I look good. No music, because we don't want no copyright.
Who needs music when you have that?
I know, this is the music. Still good. I think I got to readjust. Last time I did it, it was more sturdy. This one is bouncing. I got to readjust. The way I did it was kind of weird.
Doesn't look too bad.
Does it?
No. I mean, it is bouncing, but
Yeah, last time I did it, it wasn't bouncing at all. So it was a fun spot.
yeah.
You're popping a little bit.
Dude, it's
Wait till we get into the city. I would do it, but this is a red light. It's gonna drop shift and scare them. But if I drop shift and scare them, they get mad. We right here. I'm not trying to have them pop my tire.
or key your car or something.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Oh yeah, it's smooth. Smooth, not too bad. It's alright. How y'all liking it though? Y'all let me know. I can already tell this night is about to be different. It's gonna be something. It's gonna be something tonight. I wonder if he knows. I wonder if he knows a good. There's a good parking garage somewhere out here that we can go to.
That would be pretty cool.
Like it's pretty cool on the top. You can see like the building and shit.
Even this would be a cool spot too.
Yeah, I know, huh? This would be cool.
Like rolling down, we're over there.
This is actually like a really good spot too. Like there's not really, I mean, crazy people on this Roosevelt. Yeah, Roosevelt's not bad.
I mean, there's crazy people everywhere.
Yeah. Wait.
Next one.
Well, he's probably getting some food at the market.
Some milk and honey.
Some milk and honey. He was getting some milk and honey.
Oh, that place is good. Breakfast, bitch.
I've had it too. Yeah, it is good. It's funny. They walk up to us. What do you want, bitch? Like, all right, well, you could have eased into it. You just jumped straight into it. Well,
I'll take some eggs and bacon, bitch.
wonder if they get mad if you call them a bitch. right? I wonder if it's this one where you can take pictures. I'm not sure. We'll ask him whenever he stops.
Yeah.
Because I know he knows the parking garage areas. Oh, I guess I was blocking it. Yeah, I'm gonna angle it different, guys. My bad. He's gonna go.
His brake lights are not very bright.
No. Good thing I was like holding on it just in case. That would have been bad for both me and him. There you go. Yeah. Last time I did it higher too. Huh. It's alright. That dude looked like damn, who do you look like? He's one of Juice's friends. Damn, what's his name? Ski Mask.
Ski Mask with some guy?
Dude, yeah, he looked like that dude. What the?
There's an M3 right there.
I see that. Alright, y'all, hold on, I'm gonna readjust. Now we are trying to go to a parking garage to get better content. We asked someone, but they weren't really that much help. So we're just gonna figure it out ourselves, like the men we are. I'm not sexist. I was just kidding. It was a joke. Let's see. Where did I last see one? I don't know where most of them are at. Just go. I don't know where most of them are at. Oh, shit. There's this one.
That's not a very high one, though.
Ah, shit. Bumpy it is over here.
No cash card only. $5 per hour.
Huh. This is too low though, huh?
For what?
You say it's too low?
No.
Or, oh, okay.
No, I just didn't realize it wasn't a very high, high parking garage.
We're not even gonna be here for an hour, probably. Unless we come up with something. Shit, I feel like I'm gonna hit the top.
I know, but I think you have like
A couple
feet.
inches. Yeah.
No, you have like 2
Oh,
feet.
think so?
Oh yeah. It does look sketchy though.
It does. Why is there so many dips? How high is this motherfucker? I know I'm recording late, but Jordan is going crazy right now. Y'all gotta go to the Instagram, and when y'all see these photos drop, I'm telling you right now, this shit about to look insane. Look, y'all see this? This is behind the scenes. This is behind the scenes. Okay, look, I'll show you a little bit.
Yo!
Bro, look at this, y'all. What the fuck? Nah. That's crazy, y'all. He's going to say, y'all gotta tap into Instagram. If you guys live in Arizona, you want something like that, tap into his Instagram, the bearded male. He goes absolutely insane. This shit is crazy. What the fuck? Alright, you guys, we just finished a good shoot. We didn't get to really finish because some plans changed, but this man right here did his thing, man. Did his thing. Now we about to get some roller shots of CarFeenz car. Make sure y'all tap into his Instagram. But yeah, we just gonna end it off right there. I'm actually about to get this Durango detail because look how dusty this shit is, man. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this POV. Hopefully you guys want more. I plan on giving you guys more. This is not the only time we're gonna be doing POVs and stuff like this, so make sure y'all follow my Instagram at RangoCat on Instagram. Y'all gonna see all the photos that Jordan takes. Bro, he goes insane, even the videos too. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned.